You're in the shower. Everything is fine. And then, out of nowhere, your brain serves you a memory from 7 years ago, something you said at a party, something you did in front of people. Something so small that nobody else remembers it, but you remember it perfectly, in slow motion, with the exact facial expressions of everyone who was there. And meanwhile, you can't remember a single compliment you received last week. You can't recall most of the good days, the wins, the moments people actually looked at you and felt proud. Those just dissolve. This is not a you problem. This is not anxiety. This is not overthinking. Your brain is doing something very specific, and once you understand what it actually is, you'll finally stop blaming yourself for it. Because neuroscientists just published a review in 2025 that explains exactly why this happens at a biological level. And what they found changes the way you should think about every embarrassing memory you've ever replayed. Your brain thinks embarrassment is dangerous. Here's what the research shows. Humans evolved in small, tightly knit groups, where social acceptance wasn't just nice to have, it was a survival requirement. Being rejected from your group meant losing access to food, shelter, and protection. So your brain developed an alarm system specifically for social threat. Psychologists call this social evaluative threat the perception that you could be negatively judged by others. When it activates, it triggers a full-body stress response, your heart rate climbs, your face flushes, and your brain shifts into high alert. That alarm system is connected directly to your memory. Neuroscientist Dr. Joseph Ledoux states the brain's memory systems are designed to prioritize emotionally negative events because these have historically been linked to threats and survival. In other words, forgetting a compliment has no real cost, but forgetting a social mistake that nearly got you excluded from your group in an ancestral environment could be fatal. So your brain held onto the embarrassment. Not to torture you, to protect you. Why replaying it makes it worse. But here's the part that makes it so much harder to shake. A 2025 review published in Dialogues in Clinical Neuroscience found that when the mind treats distressing thoughts as unresolved threats, it keeps monitoring them, replaying them repeatedly. And here is the cruel twist. This repeated mental rehearsal actually strengthens the memory instead of resolving it. The more your mind rehearses humiliation, the more psychologically available humiliation becomes. So every time you replay that moment in the shower, you're not processing it, you're burning it deeper. Studies using functional MRI scans showed that the same brain regions that activate for physical pain also light up when people recall socially painful events, the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula. That pit in your stomach when the memory hits, that's not just a feeling, that's your brain processing a social memory the same way it processes being physically hurt. This tendency to hold on to negative memories is not a flaw, it's a survival feature. And survival features can be rebalanced. Your brain was built for a world where social rejection was deadly. You live in a world where it isn't. The embarrassing moment from 7 years ago did not define you then. It still doesn't now. Your brain just never got the update. Share this with someone whose brain keeps replaying things it should have let go. See you in the next one.